Fireworks Drone View, Las Vegas 2025, opening drone shot, flying over the Las Vegas Strip at sunset, American flag fade in, upbeat music builds, voiceover or text on screen, Las Vegas, July 4th, 2025. The City of Lights just got louder, brighter, and more unforgettable. This is Dig Talk, and you're about to experience the fireworks show like never before. From the sky? Part 1. Sunset over Vegas drone footage. Golden hour over the Strip. Fountains at Bellagio. People gathering on as the sun sets over the Mojave Desert. The Las Vegas Strip gears up for its biggest celebration of the year. From Caesar's Palace to Resorts World, every rooftop is packed. This is more than a fireworks show. It's a citywide spectacle. Part 2. First firework bursts. Wide-angle drone shot first. Fireworks launch from multiple rooftops. Lights reflect off glass towers. Sound reel. Fireworks audio plus dramatic background music text overlay. Boom! Welcome to the 4th of July. Vegas style. Part 3. Aerial tour. Asterisk, drone pans past. The sphere glowing red, white, and blue. Mirage volcano with fireworks behind it. Bellagio, fountains dancing to synchronized bursts. The strut shooting fireworks from its tip. Fireworks exploding above the wind. Venetian and Mandalay Bay asterisk voiceover from every corner of the Strip. The sky is on fire. Hotels compete to outshine each other. From classic resorts to new icons like the Fontainebleau and Durango Casino. And hovering above it all, our lens bringing you the most jaw-dropping views of 2025's 4th of July celebration. Part 4. Grand finale. Fast cut montage. Multiple angles of the finale. Colors lighten up the city. Synchronized explosions. Crowd cheers. Text on screen. Red, white, boom. Vegas does it bigger. This is Vegas. And this is how we celebrate freedom. The lights, the noise, the sky full of dreams. Drone rises high above entire Strip, faded into the horizon. Background music softens. Thanks for watching this bird's eye view of one of the world's most iconic firework displays. Hit sell, IKE, if you felt the boom. Subscribe for more sky-high stories from Dig Talk. And let us know in the comments, where did you watch the fireworks this year?